Hey, what's up guys? Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche here. Alright, so along with the sail lines that we have been building, one of the biggest questions that we get asked is how do we get the reflective tape to stick to the foam? Because being with curved and very porous edge, it's very hard to get stuff to stick to it other than some kind of paint. Well, with the reflective tape, once it gets wet, it tends to peel off. So I'm going to show you how I do it real quick, and that way y'all can check this out. Alright, so I've got my float right here, and what it is too, you can see all the, I guess, the extra slag or whatever you want to call it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim that off. What I'm also doing is I'm taking off this edge here, so that way I can get everything to stick kind of uniform. Sometimes too, what you can do is grab some sandpaper and just hit the edge, so that way if any of those little birds are there, they'll come right off. Alright, so now that I got that all nice and smooth, duct tape. Yes, duct tape, duct tape, duct tape. You know, it's every handyman's favorite thing to use, and for us it's the same thing. What we'll do is I'm going to use duct tape to put down my primer coat of adhesive, and the best way to do it is to put it right in the middle and take it all the way around. By using the duct tape, it's going to create the layer that I need for the stickiness of my reflective tape to stick to the float. So now that I've got my layer of duct tape here that my reflective tape will stick to, let's go ahead and get it added on, and that way you can see the finished product. Tell you what, you couldn't ask for a better fit there. Now just squeeze down all your ends here. Make sure your edges are nice and tight in there. So there you go. That is a nice one right there. And let's see. You can see how the reflective tape will catch the light right there very, very well. And the reason why I did it right here in the center too is because as it's held down right here, it'll hold about right here in the water level and not slip off on this end. It's got grip onto both sides, so it will last a lot longer in that sense. So there you go. That's how I make a quick float for our sail lines, and even then you can do these with your shark rigs, and that's going to be one of my next videos. We got some big shark floats coming in, so I'll show you how do we get it done there. Alright guys, y'all have a good one.